Nogo semeria kuonevu na kwabere kugutwara oburigereria obuya imegeta seni kia Ndizi TV na biro bindeto kumena na ase emesa ya mangana maya elinde ngomanye na rai anyare ko bakagwatika kora chingongo chonsi inyechensi chinga ki toroche abarai kurwa chikanisa baganiriye bali babwetwe bagendera ko bamaiso ase serikali elinda kwene kibuna onsi aikirane boigo ase county ya Kakamega nigo obotutukane bagendete kwene kigwa ase serikali enya naboigo nigo toroche omugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo amuchirie ekigambero ekenene ase ogotumika chingwa na gosechinga kibale koru ekegambero bali kunacha ekina na kibatumigete chingwa na chimbe ayonsi ningwaliganetie ase amangana amaya ase ebirebi gagendera gotubwatia ase chinsemo chimitandao ase nsemo ya Facebook na bagotonya gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na boiga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonya gwitira Ndizi TV News ase nsemo ya website na bagotonya gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke iretarea ne Frida Kerubo na chinsemo chibiero kereni gotokobwatira nera Joshua Autangwira nanda segekegeke ngomanye asinchira iyo wenge. Hingo chaka kigima omwanchi mulire nigongo kumanyibuna habarai korwa ase ekanisa ya PCEA nigo bono baganire bali babwetwe koba maiso ase serikali linda kwene kibuna onsi aikiranira boigo chinga kecho nigo bagani bali benyorete obubui chira chiribanyate kwa bakoli chinga kibabwate campaign ochigwikirani na boigo koleta amagendero ase chinsemo orobotira sinchira iyo bwenge.
We now remind you that the electioneering period is over. It is now for you to roll up your sleeves and start doing what you promised. Pia wacha wapone pole pole. Wacha kuwarushia maneno na wengine kwa mitandao. Wanarusha maneno mabaya sana kwa mitandao kwa walioshindwa na waliowapigia kura. Wakiwaambia inaonekana Mungu hakuwa upande wenu. Alikuwa upande wetu. Nataka kuwaambia Mungu ako pande zote. Who is going to be our watchman in parliament? Who is going to be our watchman over the executive? So we do not want every other member of the opposition to be more government than government itself. We saw him doing it at the barracks, preparing to hand over the mantle to the new president. That is a very good sign. There are countries that never witness transition.
Obotutu kanuni go bugendete kwene kigwa ase serikali enya ime county ya Kakamega omukonyi bw'omugavana bwe county ya Kakamega Ayub Saluva nigo ayerera na kibago chikubagana gatigati ase serikali enya elinda kwene kibuna korwa ase ekiama kya DAP Kenya nigo abantu baye bayenyorere libaga ase serikali boigo ase ensemo y'omugavana nere nigo aganitie abantu korwa ase ekiama kya ODM kwenyorera libaga ase serikali yo gakwerera Ayub Savula ni gatebire buna nachikobwatirana ne serikali enene ilinda kwene kibuna amagenderero achire ase county yo.
Tulifanya kazi nguvu kwa nguvu, tuligawana kazi, na hivyo mimi nina watu wangu, lazima watu wangu wafaidike kwa serikali. Baraza na watu wake lazima wafaidike kwa serikali. So hii mkate ni mkate moja, lakini tutakula wote kwa kulingana na ile mkataba tulipatia Registrar of Political Parties. Penye baraza anachukua waziri, mimi nachukua chief officer. Penye baraza anachukua chief officer, mimi nachukua waziri. Serikali itakuwa moja, na hivyo ndio tumekubaliana tutaunda serikali moja. Mimi si maneno ya kuvuruga. Mkataba ni mkataba. Mnakubaliana mkataba ni mkataba. Na ni mkataba ya miaka 5. Tukifanya kazi vizuri, watu watatuchagua 2027. Ni kazi, nataka huduma kwa watu. Ile clip yenye kwa mtandao ile na trend sasa ni clip ya kitambo vile nilikuwa nawaambia watu wangu tuna nusu mkate. Unajua ukishakuwa mjumbe miaka 2 lazima uexplainie watu. Wewe unaenda huko unaenda kufanya nini na nini iko hapo. Hiyo ni clip ya kitambo. Na hiyo clip niliongelea Malava.
Omugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo bono nigo amochirie ekigambiro ekenene ase ogutumika chingwa na chimbe nabo igo bochecheri bali babwetu chinga kibali kona cha ekina kolengana nere nigatebiri buna ekigambiro kerokyo nigo gietenenerete nabo igonge bwenereti koroki ogwanchereria konde gwensi kero chinga ki bakona cha ekina.
The judgment that they rendered, and I want to say this without fear or contradiction, was not a judicial judgment. The literature contained in that judgment was not judicial literature. That was a political track. It was meant to serve a purpose which has nothing to do with the law. The person who wrote that judgment has done a great injustice to the rule of law. Judges speak in words that are measured, that are tempered, so that even the loser in a court of law feels that justice has been done.
Nigobete omoichano ase ekenyorogia Nyamisaro sublocation ya Kenyerere eyogotoka ase ewodi ya Sameta imeye bunge ya Bubasi magegaye ya mate eyemo nabo igokoboka emambye yemo nakonyora omubere bw'omusacha oyomo oyu osireti obugima bwaye kolengana na birodi nigo batebete buna omusacha oyu gikirirete gosiria obugima bwaye nigo anywete amarua mange ayo amubwete goika gosiria obugima bwaye.
Jumamosi ngakere simsa kunambi na mumgo mino oyo kwete gaiga egetugi na chieto koiko nganyo kama ene na bakwiri no ara irensabu ono ke na chieto ko robere esi asabantu ngabu na bante betibuna mumgo yo mina chetama pema kanyo onjo kanaiga na bachete akatunga na kujumutaro wengo ono kurumutaro uyu embuka kana yaso kotoy wakamurushio wakamubeka soteli yarengo kaiwa macha kanyo ono akatiri kwa yabaka ikasa mbiri chamaro kai kasa mbiri chamaro akaimoka baswati bayengo kwa wana kwena wagwika kumbe nalia chietu kujipara mahate yi akachukuma.
Ababunge au bachorete gwetera obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja litkorerera nigo batwara egeikaro ase baganiri okobwatanirwa kwa abakenya bagokwana nabaliki bamangana nigo baganirie omurai bwense ogosoka oyo gochikwereri omurai omonyia obugambiri tkoria angyo kwaneki omulembe otigere koba ase enseicho ya Kenya.
Presently split into nearly two halves can come together for the sake of the Republic and for the good of his presidency. So far, the sentiments being expressed by his closest associates inspire neither hope nor confidence. The choice again is his. And finally, 12. Going forward, and at any one given time, I, alongside like-minded MPs, including the Honorable Yaido Kelo here, even if we eventually remain a minority of one member, we will stand on principle and play the role that the people of Kenya have given us as a parliament. And that is providing a robust check on the executive. We will play that role faithfully, diligently, and without fear or favor.
Ekiumbegia angaza movement bono nigo kiereire na kibago chikonyora chinga kichingongo ase okoene kinabo igogokinia obonchereria as chinsemo chia Nyanza gukwana nigo bateuna ekiagera Nyanza nigo yanyate ko bagekubu na berabe chinga kichingongo ase obonchereria nabo igokonara eserikali enya.
And we did engage before the elections. Basically, we decided to see that we have good leaders elected in positions so that they can be able to deliver for the people the service that they need. And the people did come out and vote, And people had a lot of hope this time that we are going to clinch the presidency. But apparently things have gone the way they've gone. And after that people went to court, and we had hope that justice will be served. But again, things have gone the way they are. So there's a lot of despondency in the community. People are feeling let down, people are feeling disappointment, many people are hurting, they are in pain. Some of them are saying there's no need for us to go and vote. So they're asking what else. So as Angaza movement, we say that we need to be able to give our people hope. So how do we do that? We decide to go around to offer opportunity for people just to talk, to let go what's in their hearts, so that they can be able now to start the healing journey.
Ababwatani b'ekigosori imense ito ya Kenya nigo bairanira mbia mono ase eserikali egosoka ase obokoreri obuya bwanyareko abokoenekiwa kurinde nigo bamwarigani omorai omochore Dr. William Ruto ase bagania gochikorigererwa ase esekta y'ekigosori ase boigo baerera na kichinchera chinya chirabekwe rinde koenekiwa na esekta yo ya kinde nigo bagania Dr. William Ruto gochikorigereria omonto obwate obomanyi ase chinsemo ch'ekigosori.
We look forward to working closely with your government in line with your Kenya Kwanza manifesto. Sports is a multi-billion industry, and if managed well, can change the lives of thousands of young Kenyans. Whereas we appreciate the outgoing government's role in supporting sports, much more is needed to improve the country's dwindling standards in several sporting disciplines. As you embark on your journey of creating an all-inclusive government that will cut across the political divide, we in the sports industry humbly appeal to you, as you will be naming your cabinet secretary for sports, to consider someone with a proven track record in sports management, professionalism, full of integrity and passion for sports right from the grassroots level. With your new government, we look forward to seeing a corruption-free sports industry that will thrive under your stewardship.
Omwenche omurigereria korwa ase orobotiro niyo naikire omweli obwa mangana maya ase nchira iyo bwenge kurende ngo gusaba tobasa gusikato basakanyegera gikoraga ensa eyemo ayona mangeno yanyale ase nchira iyo bwekiranu yenda gotobwatia ase nsemo chimitandao ase nsemo ya Facebook nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital nabaga ase nsemo ya YouTube nabagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News ase nsemo ya website nabagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke magachika soko enikibuna ebicha na boigo eliogire gwikira sole asinchira yabene nere omusai James tonya ko tokubwatanere Joshua Auta asinsemo chibyorokererio na incheria ne Frida Kerubo nkukoganilia oboligerelia obuya.
Television ya Ndizi TV Vono na bukura y'ubuncholia bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio wikere abaligeri ya Kurochi County sana na ibire echuchira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti sana na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na isato isano na ibire eyemo elio togwikere gose otutaharire ase chiabisi chito echuchira se nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo wechiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe Ndizi TV obwenso bwumugusi nigo bono ya nikirundekerene nego kurondera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bogusi neji county chito etanaine buna county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechinsemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders Digital TV na Smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore irio yao iguiko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge Chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu vuomo Gusii.
Chomulirira timetekero kwe gucingeni chege sale ningiyo gutira andake asobongo bwao ekiagara sama tukamage twakoni goriye Chinsaga